everyone, welcome to Second Opinion, where we share all our opinions on cars, tech, and lifestyle. I'm Alex, and today we will be talking about this cord-free Dyson V11 Absolute Plus, which has been really useful with the amount of time I've spent at home and with all the mess that I make. But before we get started, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to follow our Facebook and Instagram pages. Here we have it in iron and gold with an approximate 13-inch length and 10-inch height. It weighs 2.9 kilos and it comes with a bunch of tools and accessories to clean different surfaces. Its main high torque cleaner head to deep clean carpets. It also has an adjustable knob to help capture bigger particles. Its soft roller cleaner head, the one I commonly use because it's perfect for hard floors to avoid any damages or scratches on the floor. The mini motorized tool, great for carpets too, but it can also be used for stairs or any smaller surface area, car seats, and carpet. The Crevice tool, probably the second most used tool because it helps reach tighter areas at home or in your car. It can be used for cabinets and walls and in between appliances. The combination tool. I would say this is a short crevice and dusting tool in one. The mini soft dusting brush, useful for fragile items that collect dust but you don't want to damage, like books, glass light fixtures, and wall art. The stubborn dirt brush, designed for cleaning coarse or hard-wearing carpets and doormats of your home and car. Here's the one where you can attach another tool to help you reach the floor easily without bending down or reach higher surfaces. The one I have also came with a Dyson V11 dock, a stand that also works as a charger, and you can leave your commonly used cleaner heads on it too. The V11 has an LCD on the back that shows different modes such as Eco, ideal for longer cleans, Auto mode that adjusts its suction power across different floors and surfaces, and Boost for maximum power. When it's being used, it shows the battery life. The battery sports a 7-cell nickel-cobalt aluminum battery for a fade-free cleaning. One major upgrade for this is its removable battery pack that you can charge separately. If you have two of these, you can easily remove and replace it for even longer cleans. Each full charge can last for an hour, while charging time takes about 4 hours. It's powered by a Dyson Hyperdymium motor that spins up to 125,000 RPM, making it Dyson's most powerful vacuum. Its digital motor can spin the brush bar up to 60 times per second, driving the stiff nylon bristles deep into the carpet to remove dirt while its carbon filaments capture fine dust. Underneath this unique design is the Radial root Cyclone technology, which contains 14 cyclones that generate forces to fling dust into the bin without clogging the filter. On its back, it has an advanced whole machine filtration that claims to trap 99.7% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Cleaning your house with Dyson makes everything easier, and on top of that, it also applies while cleaning your Dyson machine. Just simply point and shoot. Easy and hygienic. This cord-free Dyson V11 Absolute Plus retails for $49,900 and is available in all Dyson demo stores and its official distributor's website. It's quite pricey for a vacuum, but that's mostly because of all the tech behind it and how powerful it can be. It can be used for all surfaces at home and also for your car. It has a few upgrades from its predecessor, specifically the removable battery and this charging dock stand. It's really easy and convenient to use. It's a vacuum that sucks, and I love it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section down below. I'm Alex, and I'll see you guys soon.